Guys, to guys, tips, ano na to guys, pang 17 ata to. Tips, draw the remain man-made feature based on the given category. Man-made lang lahat to guys. Parang ang dami guys Oh, itong pato dito. So, to parang, sige, titirahin muna natin to guys. Mamaya na tayo mag-isip kung anong ililabel natin dito. S lang, S. Yan. Dito tayo magsimula sa overlap. Overlap sa labas pala guys, sa labas. Okay. Parang pavement lang naman to guys. Parang pavement lang to. Oh. Parang pavement lang to guys. Hindi naman to siya parking. Okay. Parang may curb siya guys. Oh, curb. G S. Ano lang guys, pangit man. Ano lang natin guys, tilde key para makita. S G S space building. Pavement lang ata to guys, pavement. Yan. Parang ganito lang guys, no? Then ito, long driveway, then may mga parking. Okay, unahin muna natin dito guys. Unahin muna natin yan. Ito pavement din to. Unahin muna natin to. Op. Anong purpose kaya nito guys, no? Curb yung ano niya. Curb. Yan. Oh. Then ground. G curb. Yan lang, simplified lang natin guys. Arc tool. Next, arc tool. Switching lang ko guys between S at saka G. S na naman. Simplified lang natin yan guys. Covered by trees naman yan. Hindi man yan makikita if ano talaga yung ano niya, shape. Pero ganito, klarong-klaro naman guys. Ayan lang, dyan lang. Tilde key para makita. Okay. May arc siya dyan. Ginaganyan ko guys, oh. Pag mayroong ano, may label na, pinapa-overlap ko talaga guys. Ganyan, overlap. G curve. Ginaganyan ko guys, oh. Pina-overlap guys para sure ball guys. Iwas ano yan, iwas kickback. Long driveway to guys. Sige, change na natin to long driveway. Long driveway. Then entrance driveway yan sa entrance. Long driveway pa rin pala to. Hindi ba to ano, entrance para sa parking, ano na, driveway na siya. Yan. Driveway na yan. Then dito, kakat natin to guys. Change natin to parking. Itong kategorya dito. Tildik eh. Parking na to guys. Outside parking. Outside parking. Outside parking. Ito rin. Dito na yan. T. Outside parking. Ito magka-kickback to ba? Control T. Wala. Okay lang. Ganyan. Repair lang konti. Repair. Yan. Outside parking yan. Outside parking. Ito pavement to guys. Pavement. Yes. Pavement yan guys. So gagamitin natin dito guys, ano, filling tool. Gagamit tayo dito, filling tool. Yan. Space. Then pavement. Pero may kotse naman dito guys, no? May kotse siya. So parang ano to, driveway to. Yan, driveway. Long driveway na yan. Di, ano to? Ano to? Long driveway to. Ganyan lang. Next. Dito. Sige lang. Lilevel lang natin guys. Okay. Yes. Dito tayo magsimula guys sa ano talaga. Yan. May itim. Ano lang, ganyan lang. Ay, hanggang dito lang siguro, hanggang dito lang. Ganyan lang guys. Pwede na yan. Pwede na yan. Space. Yan. So, long driveway. So, may ano na dito, double parking. Hanggang dito lang yung ano. Hanggang dito lang ang long driveway. Then, outside parking to. Yan, outside parking yan. Outside parking. Parking na to. To pavement. Pavement. Then parking. Ground. Remove ground tayo guys. Remove ground. Remove ground. Okay. Hanggang saan tong ano? Ito, outside parking na to. Hanggang dito siya. Sige. Yan. Okay. G. G. S. Dito lang muna tayo guys. Exclude ground na lang natin para di na tayo babalik. S. Okay. Wait lang. Yan. Yan. E space. Okay, so ano to? Parking. Okay, kakat natin to guys. Yan. Long driveway yan guys. Long driveway. Ito rin. Cut. Outside parking. Cut. Outside parking. Itong isa. Pavement yan. Pavement. So hanggang dito yung hanggang dito ang long driveway. Saan ba? Driveway. May driveway overlap pa. Long driveway. So parking lang to guys. Ground man to. I-repair lang natin. Yan. Outside parking yan. Okay. G. E. Bihira. Itong basta di tayo nagko-concentrate. Okay, concentrate tayo guys ha. Meron kasing nag-chat guys. G. Yan. Pwede yan, ganyan. E space. Filling tool lang yan. Cut. Long driveway. Then to outside parking. Para na yan. Sasali pa natin to. Parang ground naman to guys. Cut lang natin guys. Ganyan. B. Okay. Gawa na to guys. Ano pa? Ito parang pavement lang to. Ito siguro driveway. Long driveway. Okay. 73. Long driveway talaga to guys, no? Yung ano natin, kodigo natin. Tingnan natin. Kodigo civil. Asan ba? Wala naman dito. Yan o. Ano to? Anong kulay ito guys? So long driveway. Then gani. So driveway pala to guys. Cut. Driveway pala to. Driveway. Parking siya doon guys, no? Sige. Parking. Parking kung parking. Driveway to driveway, then long driveway. Long. Sali pa pala to guys. Yes lang. Boundary clipper Y. Yan. Merge. Okay, tama na to. Ano pa? Saan pa? Okay, review natin guys. Parking to. Long driveway lahat. Then outside parking. Andito pa oh. Sige. Simple naman. Simple lang naman yan. Hindi siya makat. Si palampas. Di ba makat? Oh, cut naman. Long driveway. Outside parking. So, outside parking. T space. Outside parking. Then may pool. So, ang pool, may pool dito guys. Pavement. Label mo natin pool. Key. Outside parking. Ano to? Pool. Swimming pool. So, sa surrounding sa pool, di simento yan eh. Di pavement yan. Pavement. Yan na guys. Okay na siguro to guys. Submit na natin to. Control A to submit. Okay, thank you.